Security. Glory to God in the highest. Thank you, my Lord, for the security, health, and wealth. I always think positively. God is now showing me the greatest way to be of service to humankind. Every day, in every way, I'm getting better and better, becoming very happy, healthy, and wealthy. I am a loving, successful, and humble husband, father, and friend. I am self-disciplined. I start my day by doing the most important activity. I always focus on the solution and not on the problem. I never give up. I create whatever I want in my life, which begins with my desire and thought. I am responsible for doing everything I can to get closer to the goal I desire. I want to have a dream that will contain information to solve that I have in mind. I will have such a dream, remember it, and understand it. I don't wait for perfect conditions to get things done because I do it now. Real intelligence is a way of acting, moving persistently, regardless of distractions, towards the desired goal. With the help of God, I'm on my way to success. I have the talent to accomplish my goals. I am becoming the person I want to be. I believe in myself. My cup would never run dry. My cup would always be a source of life, inspiration, strength, love, and everything else I could possibly need. I am what I want to be. Everything is up to me. I am successful because I am willing to fail, to commit mistakes, and learning the lessons properly. Health. I am relaxed, calm, and peaceful. My body and all its organs were created by the infinite intelligence in my subconscious mind. It knows how to heal me. Its wisdom created all my organs, tissues, bones, and muscles. The infinite healing presence within me is now transforming every atom of my being, making me whole and perfect. I give thanks for the healing I know is taking place now. Wonderful are the works of the creative intelligence within me. I am now perfectly healthy. Today marks the exciting beginning of my joyous journey toward health, happiness, and success. I now see myself with the help of the Lord as the vibrantly healthy, exuberantly happy, and very successful person I know I am. My cup of life ran over my endless possibility, with the strength and inspiration, with a never-ending enthusiasm, energy, and belief. I hold the golden key to success, life, and health in my hand. All the good things I want and deserve are within my reach. Wealth. I am a billionaire. I am a very intelligent person. My ability to learn and grow is excellent. I have all the tools I need to get anything done effectively and efficiently. I am an irresistible magnet with the power to attract unto myself everything that I divinely desire, according to the thoughts, feeling, and mental pictures I constantly entertain and radiate. I am the center of my universe. I have the power to create whatever I wish. I attract and accept. I begin choosing and mentally accepting the highest and best life. I now choose lavish abundance for myself and for all mankind. This is a rich and friendly universe, and I dare to accept its riches, its hospitality, and to enjoy them now. God is the source of my supply. I give what I lack most, and I give freely. I choose to be rich, then to be secured, and lastly, to be comfortable.